At 4 a.m., Marty was in the cat hotel in the chair, and he or she and Tux had some words. Yeah, and then this morning on the bench by the back door, but the only cat down there, he or she doesn't like to share. I'm still confused about this cat. Stripe is hanging out on the new spot that I got it for them to sleep on at Guardian Angel the other day. That was the thing I had to fess up to Dawn about. We're good, we're good. This is Marty, but only when there's food and only when she doesn't realize it's you. Water detail, huh? We haven't had to water anything for a few days, but we wanted to get the hanging basket. Hey, you ready to walk with me? It's Sunday.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Yeah, I'm really enjoying being able to go on these nice walks while before the bugs and the humidity get crazy bad.
Yeah, it is nice to be able to go up the hill and spend time with the kitties and not be getting bit up.
Yeah.
Their visits get shorter when the mosquitoes are hunting me down.
Yeah.
You gonna walk, Gray? Tux is already in the front yard chasing Slate.
See, happy Mother's Day. How many kitties do you have now?
No comment.
No.
I have 2 boys though.
Yeah, that's right.
We started on our walk and then I realized I didn't have Tux. Come on, bud, let's go. I know that you sort of want to bully them off, but you can't do that. Go play with Slate. Good job. We'll try this walk thing one more time.
Yeah. Guess what day it is?
Mother's Day.
I like it. Comic book wrapping paper. I mean, the comics. That's perfect. That's a good job. Did you wrap it yourself?
Yes.
Okay, good job.
Mother's Day present. Here we go.
Yeah, it's a typical Marianne day. Know the battery's flashing, that it needs to be changed, and then don't change it till it runs out, because I forgot when I came in from our walk this morning. I'm sorry. I didn't mean for it to run out in the middle of our Mother's Day thing.
So what did he get you?
You guys, it's a smart infrared thermometer. We had this Casa one a few years ago. That was... yeah, and it didn't work out. It had high ratings, and it was like $50, and it didn't work out. So
what, every mom needs to take care of her family.
That's right. And since I'm the one that had the high fever recently, that we needed to know what it was.
That's right.
Yeah. But you're not going to have a fever with your second shot.
That's well, he's over it now. If he was going to have some
I
reaction.
meant with number 2.
Oh, with number 2. Yeah. That's right.
Well, thank you, Johnny. I really appreciate it. Yeah, you keep up all the good work, making your mom proud with your straight A's at school and everything. You've been doing a great job.
That's what your mom really wants for Mother's Day, straight A's.
Straight A's, yep, straight A's, and then an admittance to a good college. That's right on Mom's
next
plan.
Mother's Day, that's coming. That's
we'll be
right.
working on it by next Mother's Day,
that's
probably.
Right.
Yep. I really did spend a lot of time yesterday afternoon and evening cleaning up my Lego area, including sorting the rest of the Legos I had in the bucket over there. I just need to now put them away. It was getting late. It was like 11 o'clock last night, and I was still sorting bricks. And I don't normally have all the lights on and do that stuff so late. But anyway, what made me say that is that Midnight is down there on the blanket on top of my bricks, not hurting anything whatsoever. I put the blanket on top of them so the cats don't, mess them up before I have a chance to get them where they're going, put them in their mouth, that kind of thing. But he's enjoying the blanket in the middle of the floor. I talked him into getting off the blanket by offering him one of the kitty greenies cookies. And I don't know if I'm going to put it all away, but I'm going to make a good pass at it. I want to go start building, but I need to get this out of the middle of the floor. Well, I got everything put away, and then I sorted some more. What I've got sorted here are the 1x3s, 1x6s, 1x2s, 1x4s, and 8s and 10s for the walls of that big building. I said I'm going to do it in blue, and I was just checking out how many I had. I actually think this building has so many grays areas that a lot of the bricks are the 1x2s, and it does look like I have a lot of those. You know, I either have enough or I order some more. Although if I order some, I'm really going to try to order used for sure, because all of these bricks have gentle play wear, and I don't want to mix in new bricks with bricks that have minor, you know, play wear scratches, just to try to keep it looking consistent. But we'll figure it out when I get there. I could go look, but nah. Don and Johnny are gonna go for a little ride with me. We talked about where, you know, the Mother's Day crowds. We're gonna stick to the garden hut. Take a few pictures. Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
We're going to take my girl for a drive. What do they call it? Sunday driver. We're a Sunday driver today.
That's right. Jules will be out of the garage 2 days in a row.
Wow.
Woohoo!
They won't know what to think.
I thought about telling you I wanted to take Ruby so we could open up the wings and take a picture, but I thought, well, Jules just doesn't get all the love and attention she deserves, so we'll be okay. So I guess start out with Judd Parkway, the new road.
Yes, ma'am.
And then I want to sort of drive over there by the new Lowe's and just make sure it hadn't opened up yet. So here's the Judd Parkway extension, the completion of the loop that we drove last night, that we said we'd come back and drive during the day today. Yeah, connecting Fuquay-Varina. Oh, it's really great that they've got the loop done around town. They've got a bike lane, the full stretch of this new extension. Both sides of the street and sidewalks. Don and I were commenting last night near to Fleming Loop Park, but also even down here, you know, a few street lights would be good. They could come in and add those.
That's the Lincoln Heights
Elementary School to our right. Sure.
They added that road there. That was not there. That was a improvement.
Sure. Well, they play a lot of basketball over there, and there's times that, you know, when it's really busy near the gym area, so another way out over there would be good. It's not quite as busy as a high school, but
yeah, well, they're going to turn all this into subdivisions.
Oh yeah, you can just see the houses coming. But it is really nice, the sidewalk and stuff up here, so that's all good.
One thing Fuquay does not need is more houses.
I know. See, even Johnny feels that way. And this is back to where Wilbon Road used to come, which continues to the left over there, except for it used to be a 2-lane road, not divided, and now it's 4-lane divided, so it is an improvement here. But they've done a really nice job. I don't think anyone could complain about how it ended up, how it finished out. Of course, you know, earlier is better, but so no turning there, would not turn for you. You put on the blinker and it would not change lanes.
Will not change lanes, that's right.
Yeah, as we said last night, if you missed yesterday's video clip, it still thinks this is a field. Google Maps is not updated. Police officer on your left, not that you're speeding. I knew you weren't speeding. You know, for a girl that has a good relationship with the police, I can't help but always think twice when I see them, whether I'm speeding or not.
Yeah, but I'm an old guy now. I don't speed like I used to. You don't understand.
That's true.
When I was young, nobody would tell me to slow down. I get speeding tickets. Now I'm old. I run slow, and now I'm getting told all the time, slow down.
I didn't say to slow down.
Oh my God, you're just calling the dog spot.
I didn't say you were speeding. I just said, hey, there's a cop.
Right.
It's up for your interpretation.
Implied.
No. Since you thought it was cute to pick on me at my expense, I'm going to point out that the reason Don's having trouble changing lanes with the turn signal is because he forgot he's not in Ruby and he's got to push the signal farther.
Yeah, in X, you could just get it down to it clicks and it'll change lanes. But in the 3 and the Y, you have to actually make it click down. You just can't push down on it far enough that the turn signal starts blinking. That's not enough. You got to go all the way down to it. You actually feel it, the click in the stock. It's not like that on the X. The X, if you push it down just enough that the turn signal starts blinking, and it'll get over.
Yeah.
And you can let off, and it springs back.
But that's okay. Your wife reminded you of that conversation we had with our good friend a couple of weeks ago, who was also dealing with the difference between the two cars. Yes.
The problem is my poor brain doesn't remember which one's which at all, and so now I'm just totally confused.
And I just always push it down all the way because I don't appreciate the half push. I've never done that my whole life. You can't teach me new tricks. Well, you could, but you know. So I don't ever have that trouble because I always push it down all the way. In the X, I end up apologizing. Sorry, I know I didn't have to push it all the way. You know. All right, we're here at Ralph Stevens Road. I think that's what it's called. Yes, it is. And you can make a left here. You've been able to make a left here for a while. It used to be nothing down this road, and now there's like stuff. And so this is what they're trying to finish up. I guess there's another building going in over here on the right. All these just went in. And there's the Lowe's over there, and I would definitely say it looks like it's not open yet. They have to be getting close now. They have to be getting close.
Yeah. Well,
And if you
major room up here for more
retail, yeah.
Retail.
If you'll turn where that car is turning, you'll be able to go up a little bit and make a U-turn and get us back out of here.
Okay.
Now that we, you know, if the Lowe's had been open, I would have wanted to check out the garden center. It says they're now hiring. Walk-in interviews welcome. So that jasmine smells good in the breeze. Oh, either the jasmine or the gardenia. I smell it. It's very yum. So there's what we can expect from our new tree. Do you see the tag on it? It's right here.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah. Harp string Japanese maple. It has another name too. The official name, but yeah. So maybe in 5 to 10 years. Huh?
Well, all my we've planted in the front yard.
5. Right. And these ones in the boxes, Nelsa was quick to point out to someone the other day when I was here that they are for sale. So if you need instant gratification and have the funds.
That's a beautiful tree.
It is. I don't know what this is. It looks like a cross between a rhododendron and honeysuckle. It says Illicum or something, woodland beauty. I'm not familiar with this plant, but it's pretty interesting. Yeah, woodland ruby is the name, but Illicum, that first word there. Military Missions in Action has all of these really great outdoor brand new cushions, and I found one for the kiddies. So they were closing at 4 instead of 5, so we didn't get to browse quite as long as we wanted to, but that's okay. Johnny's very excited. He's having extreme success with Marty over there. The cat whisperer, my son.
Both of these cats I've spent a lot of time working with.
Yep, he sure has. Lots of trips up the hill, lots of mosquito bites. Thanks, Johnny. All right, I got the bench cushion on. Like I said, new, $10. It's not too small, it's a little big, but it's tied on. It won't go anywhere. I think the cats, it's, you know, it's just up here behind the tarp for the cats. This is the, it's actually a coffee table that I brought home from Guardian Angel the other day. Don's handling the cooking, and I have officially put on my first blue wall brick.
And we just talked about that a little bit. Now I guess we can go down to LEDS.
And again, we noticed that the model, these guys always seem to be opposite to each other.
Well, it's time for St. Louis pork style ribs. So I'm going to finish up here with my Lego project for the night. But you can see that I have started on the walls. First off, this is indeed where the stairs are. This is the front door. This is the door to the bathroom. There's the little toilet. This is the back door. This is a little tree arbor thing, and you can sort of get a feel for what the blue walls are going to look like. And this one had a lot of detail on the cabinetry and stuff in the house. You can see the refrigerator and the stove hood and the cabinets and all that stuff. It looks really good. So it's coming along. I'm really pleased with it. I'm having fun.